before. Brian's getting ready to pressure wash it. And I'm going to do some paint. In some of this video, I'm going to have to do a little bit of a voiceover because Brian likes to listen to his Hair Nation radio and I don't want to get a copyright. And he's bringing me my chair so I can get started on painting. Okay, I'm getting ready to spray paint these black. I'll show you when I'm done. Now he's doing the tedious work of taping off all the windows so he won't get paint on them. He's admiring all his beautiful handiwork. He's telling me not to put that in the video, and I want to see if he watches my video. And of course, Boo, being her nosy self, needs to see what's going on outside. And now he's starting to paint. We decided to try spray painting to see if it'd be a little easier, and it turned out really well. Oh, I'm really liking how it's coming along. I can't wait until he's finished. Well, I got my porch painted, my chairs are done, my door's done. Brian's got to put a door handle on it and it'll be done. But it's time to decorate. And we're supposed to get some storms rolling in later, so I'm not going to videotape it. But I will show you what it looks like when it gets done. As you can see, I'm loving my black door. So, okay, I'm going to get decorating. Fixing my, well, he's changing my door knob. It's all finished, and I have to say, I absolutely love it. It looks so much better. There's my milk can I bought the other day. Got it painted, added some flowers. And there's my black chair. Was white, painted in black. He was white, painted him black. No, I didn't. Chub chubs. Chub chubs. There you are. Oh, so handsome. There's this side. And Brian put me on a new door handle and a lock. And I got that from Etsy. I'll show you tonight when it gets dark, it all lit up. I got lights on the tree. And then my lantern will come on. And then my little mum. Got that from Walmart. And there it is all together. I'm so happy with it. It looks so good. Well, that's it for my front porch. I hope you enjoyed it because I really love it. I think it looks so much better. And I want to give a big shout out to Brian for helping me get it done. And me and Chips want to thank you for stopping by, and we hope to see you soon.